Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Franklin. It is February 24th, 2022. It is a Thursday. And today I'm going to show you a dissected sheep brain. Unfortunately, it kind of smells. I'm going to be holding my breath. So this is my list of things that I must identify just so I keep on track. Okay, now the best way to do this. Okay, so this is my dissected sheep brain. As we could tell, it's, oh gosh, it slid all the way forward. So, oh gosh. Anyways, we're just going to get into this. So this frontal part of the brain right here, this is our frontal lobe. The parietal lobes are where my fingers are right here. Temporal lobes are right here and right here. And then the occipital lobe, this is the back now, is right here. And this is our cerebellum. Now, this whole pink matter that we see all covering throughout the brain, this is our cerebral cortex. Now, the cerebral cortex is protected by the meninges, and the meninges has three layers. The pia layer is what directly covers the cerebral cortex, or the pia matter, excuse me. And then you have the arachnoid matter, and then the dura mater, which is the toughest layer. And then after the dura mater, you have the skull. Yes, we talked about the lobes. Next thing we're going to talk about is these purple lines. So you can kind of see my finger tracing some of these purple lines. These purple lines are called the sulci. And then these smaller veins that are within each of the sulci, these little fissures and grooves, these are the gyri. Now, of course, the longitudinal fissure is what separates the two hemispheres. So from here all the way here. That's our longitudinal fissure. And then our lateral fissure, which is visible from the side of the brain, starts here. Oh gosh, here. And then it traces its way up this way. This is, oh gosh. This is the lateral fissure from here to here. I know that wasn't the best trace with my finger, but it is right there. Okay. So what separates the two hemispheres? At the moment, I'm holding them together with my finger, but normally what holds the hemispheres together is this, and now this is where we're going to separate them, is this white matter right through here, and it's the largest white matter of the brain, called the corpus callosum. So that is right where my thumb is, right there. Now, moving to talk about structures that are inside the brain. Gosh, what is the best way to do this? We're going to go... yeah, this seems pretty good. Okay, yeah, but I liked this one better. Okay, so this is the front of the brain, the frontal lobe, and we're going to move our way backwards. So the first thing that we have, looking at my list notes so I don't forget anything, right through here is where we have the thalamus. Okay, and then right beneath, right here where my finger is, hard to see, that's a hypothalamus. And then moving back, we have the midbrain, which is this structure. White structure right here. I know it's hard to see. Okay, I'm just going to pick it up. Okay, so then we have the midbrain right through here. And then after the midbrain, we have the medulla oblongata all throughout here, right? And then we have the pons, which is, right there. The medulla oblongata all throughout here. Now, the white matter, I'm gonna pick this up again. So this was our cerebellum back here. I'll flip it around so we can see this again. This was our cerebellum, and within the cerebellum, if you pull it apart, you have all this, can you see that? White arachnoid matter that makes up the sheep brain. Okay, I believe that's everything. Again, this is just my notes that I was looking at. This is my name, and that is everything. I hope that the rest of your day goes well and that you do not have to smell a dissected sheep brain. Again, Lauren Franklin, February 24th, 2022. Have a good one. Bye.